The traveling dog, baby Toby. About time for his dinner because he's ready to sleep. Ito ang dinner ng baby ko. Yummy. Are you ready to eat? Okay, come on, come on. Come on, let's go. Eat your breakfast. I mean dinner, not breakfast. Dinner, come on. Here, come on. He's eating his dinner. He's happy now. He's done his dinner. Now he's wiping. He's wiping his mouth on our bed. Happy. Happy na baby, happy. Yes, good boy, happy. Ready to sleep now? You're done cleaning your mouth? You want mommy to brush your teeth? I'll brush your teeth later before you go to bed. What you doing now? Huh? What you doing? You're behaving yourself now? Good boy. Say bye-bye. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Yes. The sweet boy. Tonight, we're gonna have salad and pork chop. Luluto ng asawa ko sa grilled sa labas ang pork chop. Ayun na yung pork chop. Niluluto na ng asawa ko sa grill. So, yan ang dinner namin. Thank you for watching. See you next time. God bless.